This video tutorial will provide you with the understanding of how to delete and restore a tax return within the AccuTax software. Open the return that will be deleted. To delete a return, select the Return Tool tab and select Delete Return. The Delete Return window will open. Click Yes to delete the return and No or Cancel to abandon the deletion of the return. The return can be restored from the lookup screen right after the tax return has been deleted. While on the lookup screen, double-click on the blank placeholder that appears for the deleted tax return. The deleted return window will open and ask if you would like to resurrect the return. Click Yes to resurrect the return, and it will now be restored. In the event, if the lookup screen refreshes after you have deleted a return, the blank placeholder for the deleted return will no longer be available. The deleted return can still be restored by utilizing the Utility menu option. To restore the return by the Utility menu option, select the Utility menu from the software toolbar and select System Utilities. The System Utilities window will open. Select the Tax Return Audit button in the Restore Backup Rebuild section of the System Utilities window, and select the Run Utility button, and the program will display the amount of deleted tax returns found in the system. To restore a tax return from this screen, select the tax return that needs to be restored and select the Fix button, or simply double-click the return and click Yes to confirm the restore. The tax return has now been restored and available in the tax return database. After watching this video, you should now understand how to delete and restore a tax return. Check out our many in-depth training video tutorials in the AccuTax University Library.